All right, here is a time lapse of the storms that have advanced their way out of our viewing area. We can still see them this far away as they work their way through Alexandria. We see every once in a while the tops of these clouds pooch up with what we call in meteorology an overshooting top. Those updrafts getting strong and supportive of some hail with those storms even into the afternoon hours. Now a different view of that storm live from the Dakota Magic Casino. We're looking off due east, and that towering storm working its way through the Alexandria area right now. Clearly visible in a distant sky. But the good fact about that is that it's distant right now. Our area very quiet as we take a look at your current conditions at Hector. 88 scorching degrees. The dew point has dropped from a sweltering Sunday when it was in the mid 70s. And even though we still have a few spots in the 70-degree reading dew point or so, it's a little less muggy out there. Some improvement, but certainly hot with wind from the west at 13 miles per hour. The heat spreads all the way from the central Dakotas where Bismarck has 92. Grand Forks right now 89 degrees, and it's 82 in Roseau. Detroit Lakes and Fergus Falls Lakes country sweltering as heat rebuilt in after storms made their way through Sisseton right now, 91 degrees. Here's where the storms are moving through Alexandria and heading in towards or along the I-94 corridor as they slip to the south and east. The blue box here, by the way, is a severe thunderstorm watch that includes the Arrowhead of Minnesota and the Lake Superior shore on the north shore there as storms are exiting through the Iron Range north of Duluth. Also some increasing intensity to the storms moving north of the Twin Cities. Storms rolling out of the high terrain of Wyoming could become severe. And here, this little swirl you see over Arkansas and southern Missouri, the remnants of Hurricane Barry continuing to bring unsettled weather for that area. For us, it's going to be quiet tonight. Still hot. Temperatures slowly falling through the 70s out there. Fairly light winds, but all in all, it looks very quiet for the evening hours. Now, as we head to bed tonight, overnight things stay quiet. The wind will be kind of switching direction, and by morning we could have a few showers and thunderstorms along the South Dakota border as the system begins increasing in intensity there. So that's how we begin our Tuesday. Temperatures in the 65 to 70 range. It's a pretty high springboard for our area. So we'll quickly warm up once again, but not as hot. The peak of the heat wave has passed us to the south and to the east. Now, temperatures around the 80 to 85 mark for most locations in the afternoon, and a chance for afternoon thunderstorms, mainly along the south. As we go through our afternoon, the rest of us, for the most part, should stay dry minus an isolated thunderstorm. Late tomorrow night and heading into Wednesday, a big wet change comes our way, and we'll start to see the onset of that as we go to bed on Tuesday night with some stout storms working their way along from the south. So here is a look at your forecast for Fargo. Tomorrow we start out very close to 70 degrees, kind of light and variable wind direction throughout the day. Temperatures in the mid-80s and even a little less muggy than today as we continue to improve that muggy factor in your forecast. Hometown temperatures 80 in Thief River Falls, Detroit Lakes at that same reading. Grand Forks 84 degrees and in the upper 70s in portions of the Devil's Lake Basin with a lot of sunshine as well. Here's a look at a photo shared by Christine. This is of West Otter Tail Lake as storms move through that area. And oh, by the way, something is flying through the skies of the FM area as we approach the weekend. More on that in a second. Right now, Wednesday, we have a chance of thunderstorms and heavy rain, and cooler still, 83 degrees. So Wednesday, a very good bed of rain. Thursday, we'll have scattered showers, and then it does look like isolated showers on Friday. Then for the weekend, the big Fargo Air Show. Yeah, it's coming. And temperatures there will be a little cooler still. And in fact, some might say after 93 that 73 might be a little bit chilly. But
yeah, they
some
might.
change.
Yeah, but okay, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Thank you.